When using CLO, there are two main ways to import materials captured using the Vizoo xTex scanning system. Both methods will import the materials at the correct scale, since this information is captured during the scanning process. First, if your material is in our xTex file format as seen here, you can simply drag the xTex file onto your pattern or the fabric name in the object browser. This will automatically assign the various texture images, such as color, normal map, and roughness, to the correct inputs in CLO. The second method is to directly import our texture images and is used if your captured material is in our U3M PBR format. For this method, you can drag the individual texture images to the corresponding parameters of your fabric in the object browser. This allows for more direct control of what is imported and may work better depending on your material properties. Please note that if you set your CLO material type after importing your textures using either method, you may need to manually reselect the map option from the roughness drop-down list. As a final note, once a material is imported and you have adjusted any required settings, you can select your physics properties if needed, and then save your material as a CLO ZFAB for easy archiving and sharing with other CLO users.